I look like a bean. Hello, good morning, welcome to Vlogmas. I don't know what day it is anymore, so we're just gonna roll with it. Oh gosh, that was a big yawn. Saturday, fun things to do and people to see. I'm gonna shut my eyes for a little bit because I'm a little bit tired still. Oh, really tired actually. I need to get my butt in gear because I'm going to visit my friend for a walk and we're gonna pick up Pret and eat outside. I do love Pret, I just love it. I will forever love their chicken broccoli. Oh my gosh, my chicken broccoli brown rice soup. And I'm really excited for today. I think it's going to be really Christmassy and it's less than 2 weeks till Christmas now, which kind of makes me sad. This is the start of time where I get sad that Christmas is over because I like the run up to Christmas. Christmas Day, sad for me. I know, perverse, but I love Christmas, period. I don't love the Christmas day. The Christmas socks are on. Wow, they look glow in the dark. Oh, they glow in the dark. I just seem to attract traffic. How good is this? Mum had some of these waffles, so I don't even need to make breakfast because I've got waffles. These are dairy free. I'm actually chuffed to bits. So I can eat this in traffic. I can have a little quick brekkie before I go on my walk. Hey cool cats and kittens, I am here. Fudge. Yes. And I saw Snicker. It's a little bit cute. Hey guys! I just got back from my escapades, didn't I? Went for a walk, then I ended up getting to lunch, and then, gosh, time just really escapes you, doesn't it? Really, with the days. And now it's flipping 4:30. Heck! We were supposed to be doing wreath making, but the thing is I really don't want to rush the process. But it was gifted to me by Not on the High Street, the wonderful, honestly, if you need any gifts this year and you haven't checked out Not on the High Street, please check it out. Small businesses, and there's like loads of different things, especially if you want something personalized and a bit more personal. I bought so many. I mean, you guys saw the beautiful candle that I got my sister and her fiance. They sent me this box, right, with a wreath making kit, and I have always wanted to make my own wreath. So here is the wreath making kit. Let's unbox it together, guys. I'm so excited. Obviously I wanted to do new things every day in December, and this was something new that I wanted to do. I was going to go to a physical class, but obviously all of the classes were quite expensive. They're like £150. And I think this box is something like 35 or something. The company, I'll link it down below if you can see. Dane's Christmas DIY wreath making kit. Classic Christmas. We make classic. Yeah, I don't want to rush this process. Look at this. It's got everything that you need to make your own, and a little step by step. It feels like I'm at school and I love it. Like at Christmas, it just seems to be that every day there are more things in my bedroom, because it's like you'll get another package to wrap, and then there'll be all the Christmas wrapping out and about. Do you know what I mean? We're gonna do this, cats and kittens, all right? We're gonna make this a tidy room. Mum and Dad are home and we are about to do, what are we about to do?
Goggle box.
We're about to do goggly box. Also, did you do Body Shop yesterday?
Yes.
So it's Chloe.
I got the
One that you
Bath bubble, yeah. Alright, fab. So we're gonna watch Goggle Box. Do you want to open it tomorrow, Dad? Are you sure? You got your pork scratchings? It is steak night! Steak night. I feel like I'm a... Steak night! What's that from? That's from some sort of sound. Just get my cuisine. How you feel? You stressed? You can see it.
I'm not stressed.
That's the voice.
Stressed when you say I'm stressed.
Yeah, Dad gets stressed when he cooks, doesn't he, Mum?
I think it depends what he's cooking.
There's this chip seasoning. Get it from Costco. It is so good. Obviously, don't just use it on chips, but it's really, really delicious. Had dinner, and I actually think we're gonna save wreath making for tomorrow's vlog and do the fun Christmas. I was gonna do like blindfolded Christmas icing. Icing? Do I still do that? Ice cream tasters, and we had to guess the flavour.
Yeah. No.
Not today.
Not for me.
Okay, I'm gonna save it for another day. That's what I'll do. Maybe I will make a wreath tonight. Shall we, Mum?
I've got some things I need to do tonight.
I can feel my heart beating. Just trying the cherry. We're not doing the full ice cream taste test. We've just tried. What do you think? Even Mum likes it too, right? Wow. Would you go back and buy that? Would you? Maybe best cherry ice cream you've ever had?
Probably.
Really? Wow, boho gelato. Big. You love it, I can tell.
They're cherry.
Are they only down in Brighton?
Yeah, but I
I've had a
think,
cherry and it's really good.
I think maybe Bournemouth, or I might be making that up.
About making a felt tree decoration. I've got all the felt upstairs.
Maybe I'll make it, and I can, because I can, it's just
I've got the
mine.
pack. I'll get the pack.
Yeah, let's make it felt. There's just too many options. I've got too many things. I bought my panettone cases. So Mum, obviously, the Queen textile woman she is, she loves making a decoration. This year her thing is making Christmas cards, but I'm gonna make a little Christmas deck, a little birdie like that, and we can decorate it how we want to. So I don't know what colour scheme. Trying to channel what colour scheme. Thinking pale colours because I love like baby blue. I wish there was baby blue. I go for everything baby blue. Obviously, don't mind the stitching because it will all be gone. So I've gone for a little purple wing and some pink and another purple wing on the other side. There's something you can do, right? With old fabric. Maybe you've got an old scarf you don't like anymore. You can make it out of that. And I'm just picking out my threads that I'm going to pick. Oh, I'm out of breath from all campuses. We also save all our ribbons over the years. So I need to pick a ribbon. I'm thinking I'm doing baby blue. And then I can tie it in with the baby blue from... I need baby blue thread. Encountered our first issue. I've got a knot in the threads. It's taking shape right here. Guys, we have our little birdie, which is very cute. I didn't give her an eye because I always feel like that makes it look weird, but I think it's really cute. I've made our decoration. I think I'm ready for an evening snack. No, I'm not ready. No, I'm not ready to turn on the oven. No, I'm ready to have a quick, kind of immediate, kind of not immediate snack. I was going to go to the supermarket and I was like, Grace, you've literally got the means right here. I'm going to make myself a microwave cookie. I'm actually really glad that I made that decoration. It is just so nice doing something. That was the whole point of this vlogmas, because obviously with lockdown, it's just so, it can feel like every day is the same and I'm just on my phone all the time. So the reason I wanted to do something new every day was because then it just makes A, you guys can try those things at home, and B, it just really is nice to put a bit of a shake up in your day, do you know what I mean? She's about to go into the microwave. I'm using, of course, Jane's patisserie recipe. She's got a microwave cookie for 2, but I halved it because obviously I'm only 1. And instead of an egg, I did 25 grams of apple sauce because we had some left over. It was going out of date, so I will check in on that and see how it goes, because obviously I didn't put the full egg in. Okay, interesting texture. I'm wondering if I should have stuck to the egg. Let's give it a go. Oh, guys, that's actually really good. This is actually really delicious. I really like that. It's so quick and easy to make. Cheers. Is that the best scratch you've ever had in your life? Looks like it is. Wow, okay. So it's Sunday, it's raining, and we actually have church in real life this morning. I'm so excited. Obviously, it's all social distance. You don't really get to speak to anyone, but just being there is so much nicer than doing it online. Obviously, fully compliant of all the rules and whatnot. Also, I need to do the advent. It's my turn to do Body Shop. It's my turn, children. Here we go. What is it? What is it? Oh, vitamin E moisture cream. I've heard great things about that actually, so I'm very excited. Just got back from church and I've realised, okay, in a few vlogs ago, my nose was bright red, but just my nose. I don't know if you can tell it. You can't really tell. Can you tell how like there's blotchy red? Can't really tell. But I had to wear one of the proper surgical masks because mine broke on my way to church. And I think I'm allergic to the surgical mask because the last time I wore one was when I got the red nose. So I think I must be allergic or something. Also, I'm listening to Radio 1, my fave, and Jordan North is discussing whether Yorkshire pudding should be on a roast dinner or not, on a Christmas dinner. And I just didn't even think that was up for debate. Like, obviously it should be there. Just like pigs in blankets are part of the Christmas dinner. I can't imagine a Yorkshire pudding not being friends with the Christmas dinner. They're best friends, they get on like a house on fire. So a bit surprising. But I'm home now. Woo! Time for lunch. I am just about to go outside. We've just had lunch and I'm gonna go into the garden and cut my foliage. I'm going on a walk with my friend, even though it's absolutely grimballs out there. But obviously the only thing we can do is go outside for a walk. So we're gonna really use that to our advantage. And we're gonna go on a little rainy walk, but I need to get my foliage first. Shall I just use these? They're pliers. They're strong.
Pliers. If you break down pliers, these are going to be happy funny.
I'm gonna go and get some ivy first. The holly and the ivy. I'm scared that an animal's gonna come out. It's going in my eye. Really comes off really nicely. Some ivy. Hopefully this isn't poisonous ivy. That should be enough ivy, right? Guys, I got some berries. I got some holly on my walk. And we're about to make a wreath. Woohoo! Now we've been served up some nachos. What do you think, Dad? Do you think it's going to look good?
Yeah, I do.
Is this the
You have to
This
put
is the
stuff
instructions.
this with moss, and then you wrap wire around it to keep it in place.
Is that what it is?
Yep.
Well, let's see what the instructions say. Do you know what I mean? Let's have a look. That's exactly what it is.
Look,
That moss looks
so
amazing.
light.
I've got one.
Wow, we did a study on those in art textiles, didn't we, Chloe?
And Mum's favourite.
Seed
You
pods.
want to chop?
Star anise.
Smells good.
Oh my gosh, it smells like the stir fry that we used to get at uni from the little guy who always tried to chat to Emily. Oh, Mum, good times, good times. What if there's bugs
I think
in
it
this?
means plump, but not too tight.
What if there are bugs in this?
Sausage shape.
That is, Dad's right.
What if there's bugs in this?
There won't
Like
be.
that.
So what do I do? Go on, Dad, show
It's
me
a
how it's
family
done.
affair tonight.
This is real life moss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From the ground. What's sphagnum moss?
Sphagnum. Oh look, that little bug.
Oh, that's naughty, Daddy.
It's not I'm a celebrity.
It looks like something you do on I'm a Celeb, doesn't it?
Yeah.
A challenge. Good at this.
Oh, I'm good at
Have you done this? Just to help me make this
He
wreath?
does. Look at that.
Go on.
He does.
I'm a bit stagnant, so I might not be very good at
Stagnant.
trying to break.
Oh, can you look up the word stagnant, which Grace
Probably-
seems to think is a word?
I don't think
Dad said it was a word.
No,
I do.
stagnant.
He said
is.
stagnant
No.
moss.
No.
Spag.
Stagnum.
No. Spag. Oh, I can't even think of the right one now. Because you screwed my brain. Sphagnum.
Sphagnum? You said sphagnum.
No.
I'm
Well, they
so
give you a
sphagnum.
lot of moss, don't they?
Sphagnum.
Oh, that smells like the forest. Very pretty. I love
What,
moss.
you
It's
love
so
moss?
pretty. Such a pretty little thing, isn't it?
It looks a bit like maggots. Do you know what? There should be a YouTube. I'm a celebrity. I'm a YouTuber. Get me out of here. I should make that happen. You know what I mean?
Oh, I don't think you'd manage, hon.
No, not for me. I'm just saying I can coordinate. Because I've been good with coming up with some challenges. Let me tell you that for free.
What?
The brain gets a going.
Would you eat all the rodents?
no, as in I would be the director.
Hold on. We've got to get that on there first.
No, that's not what it
Yeah.
said.
It's said to make a plumb.
I know what I'm doing.
A plum.
Oh, he's unzipping. He's ready to party with the best.
This
of them.
teacher is
I've got these. Well, you bought these, right?
Yeah.
Where did you get them from?
pound shop.
Pound shop. Fizzy Frutella. Have you tried it?
Frutella.
Fizzy?
Not
No,
Frutella.
they're not.
Rainbow
Bless you.
Fruity and Fizzy.
Bless you.
They're not fruit, then what?
It's the bag at the bottom, those are in there.
What a funny hybrid.
Then
No. She's mixed a whole lot of other sweets
It
in
says
it.
fruity and fizzy.
yeah, that
Yeah,
says Frutella, and that bag is not for Frutellas.
I thought it was a new sweet.
To try to
The disappointment on your face is palpable.
Damn it.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna get.
She
Is this
went.
my hot water?
That's mine.
She went.
Yeah, shut
Yeah,
up.
in a minute. Let's attach them first. Because I can probably hide some of that.
Right. We've come a long, long way
Give me those other ones.
together. Dad is basically doing art GCSE vibes again, where I try and put something on and be like, not that one. So I went like this, and you didn't like it then, did you?
No.
No. So he's just tinkling away.
I could do more of these, really.
Sorry.
Good way.
There's bugs.
Unless
No
we
life
go, what
bugs.
do you think? This.
Do you want a red focal point? Remember, we've got our orange slices and pine cones.
Oh, yes.
So we'll put that at the bottom.
Oh, bottom!
Yeah,
I was-
it's going to be the bottom.
For me,
But
that's
I'm
the side.
switching it now.
Run fast for your mother and fast for... You don't have to use both.
Yeah,
Sometimes if you've got
balance,
two...
wouldn't it?
No, because you should only use odd numbers when you're making
Really?
things. Yeah. These are lush, isn't it?
Mhm.
They actually take a lot of work to make a wreath, guys. I'm going to put a dry berry in amongst the live berries.
A few little star anise in.
Yeah, I put a little dry berry in there.
Oh, careful.
Why?
Yeah, my fingers.
Never.
Yes.
Never. It's quite a lovely contradiction to have the dried roughage amongst the living, isn't it? Isn't it, Father? Yeah. We're finished and it looks so cute. Go on, stand with your work, your pride and joy. Oh, Dad, that is just too much. I love it. We've gone for the live action at the top and the dry
Yeah.
at the bottom. It's lovely. I love it. I highly recommend that. That's a lovely kit. Good little gift. So, the Danes.
Empty there, I think.
A little bit empty. You're going to stab in maybe an orange segment? That might be a duo.
No.
No, he's going cinnamon. He's going cinnamon. He's shoving it in. All of the little bits we're putting in here, which is Mum's little candle decoration thing she made.
Just absolutely annihilating it.
Just making it
I
look...
didn't use that at all.
We didn't even use the raffia. Heck! We didn't even use the raffia, Dad.